The outgoing trading week turned out to be one of the tensest. Traders were looking forward to the Fed's meeting to learn the accurate date of the QE program reversal. However, now the market situation is quite calm. Let us take a look at the events that will shape currency's movement early next week. Thus, traders will become active as early as Monday. In fact, this happens rather seldom. At the beginning of the New York session, the US will disclose its durable goods orders data. Notably, these goods have an expected lifetime of more than 3 years. Analysts suppose that in August the indicator advanced by 0.6% after a decline of 0.1%. A drop in the orders for transport equipment, computers and electronics caused the negative dynamic in the previous period. However, some analysts still foresee a further decrease in the indicator. On Monday, we will learn real figures. On Tuesday, traders will be focused on consumer sentiment. Consumer activity is the main indicator of the economic condition now. Just after the opening of the European session, Germany is going to unveil its report on the Consumer Climate Index for October. It's quite possible that the indicator will show a smaller decline compared to a drop of 1.2 points in the previous period. A negative reading points to consumers' unwillingness to spend money and concerns about their income. Of course, the euro's investment attractiveness may decline against this background. A positive forecast of the sum indicator in the US also adds to the euro's depreciation. Experts at the Conference Board will publish a consumer confidence report for September. Most market participants are sure that the indicator will climb after reaching a 4-month low in the previous period. If the predictions come true, the US dollar is likely to gain in value. The housing market condition also reflects consumer confidence. People usually decide to buy houses if they are sure of a stable income. Thus, the pending home sales report may cause doubts about the health of the US economy. However, experts explain the current and expected decline by the limited housing supply. Demand is still at high levels. That's why investors' reaction is difficult to predict. Market participants may simply ignore the data. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.